So in this video I am going to show you some tips and tricks of the keyboard. The first one, how to add languages in this keyboard. For this, go to your keyboard and tap on the settings button. Here tap on it and tap on language and types. Then here you can see the option manage input language. Tap on it. So in this page you can see lots of languages, and from here you can select any language that you want to add to your keyboard. So if you want to simply if you want to add the Hindi keyboard, then turn on Hindi. If you want to add Marathi keyboard, turn on, and Malayalam keyboard, turn on. So you can add more than one keyboard language here. Then go back to your keyboard. Now I will show you how it works. Open your keyboard and just swipe right or left the space bar. You can see the keyboard language is changing. I will show you. You can see English, Hindi, Marathi, Malayalam, English. So simply in this way you can add languages in this keyboard. So if you want to delete any added languages, again go to settings, tap on language and type, then tap on manage input and languages, then just turn off the language that you want to delete from this keyboard. Okay, then go back to your keyboard, then more swipe right or left. You can see now only Hindi and English keyboard is here. So simply in this way you can add languages in this keyboard. So the next one, customize toolbar. You can see this is toolbar. Now I will show you how to customize the toolbar. For that, tap on three dots on the right corner. So just tap and hold on that tool shortcut and move to other shortcut. Now you can see it is moved. Simply tap and hold and move. You can see it is moved. Here also simply in this way you can customize the toolbar in this device. Okay, and so the next one, how to disable the toolbar. You can see this is the toolbar. To disable the toolbar, tap on settings. Then here you can see the option keyboard toolbar. Turn off this option. Then go back to your keyboard. Now you can see the toolbar is not there. It is disabled. So the next one, how to add the emoji shortcut button. Simply in that toolbar there is emoji shortcut button. Now I will show you how to enable the emoji shortcut button in this keyboard. For that, tap and hold on here. You can see the small settings button. Tap and hold and select the emoji icon shortcut and go back to your keyboard. Now you can see that emoji button is here. So simply in this way you can enable or add the emoji shortcut button in this keyboard. So the next one, how to change the keyboard size. Now for this, tap on settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option size and transparency. Tap on it. So you can adjust the size of the keyboard here. You can adjust this one. After that, tap on done. Then go back to your keyboard. Now you can see the size of the keyboard is changed. So if you want to go back to the normal keyboard, then again go to settings, tap on size and transparency, then tap on reset button. Now tap on done. Then go back to a keyboard. Now you can see it is back to normal keyboard. How to change the keyboard layout. Now you can see this is QWERTY keyboard layout. To change the keyboard layout, again go to settings, tap on language, and on the top you can see the option English QWERTY. Just tap on it and you can see some layout QWERTY Quad Z ZT 3x4. So here I am going to select the option 3x4. Then go to keyboard. Now you can see 3x4 keyboard is here. So simply in this way you can change the keyboard layout in this device. So the next one, how to change the keyboard color in this device. Now you can say it is whitish. Now I will show you how to change this color. For this, go to setting, then here you can see the option high contrast keyboard. Turn on this option, then tap on it. Now you can see some keyboard color. This is black and yellow, this is black and white something border, and this is the third one, and this is the blue. Okay, and you can select any keyboard from here and go back and go to keyboard. Now you can see the keyboard color is changed. Next one, how to enable the floating keyboard in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on mode, tap on it, then tap on the option floating keyboard. Then go back to our keyboard. Now you can see floating keyboard is here. If we tap on the bottom line, and you can move this keyboard anywhere on the screen also. So these are the some tips and tricks of Samsung One UI 3.0 keyboard. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.